everyone, so I am back with my weekly predictions. So this week it's going to be for 26th July to 1st August. So the last week of July. I started this, I think, from the month of July, weekly predictions, and people have been loving it and people have been really enjoying the free small cookies or giveaways that I give. And this time what I'll be doing, those who watch my video and those who like it will get and leave a comment, will get a message from this one. This is called as the Work Your Light Oracle cards. It's a beautiful cards. Actually, it gives you a lot of divine messages, more like a confrontation messages of what you need in life. So those who are watching this will like the video and comment down, and I will send them their message from that card. Okay, now as usual, I think by now you all must have known the process, and in fact even decided your cards, but even then I'm just saying, take a deep breath and breathe for 2-3 times. Inhale and exhale 3 times. Take a deep breath. Ask the divine, ask the angels, ask the archangels, ask the gods, goddesses, or my Merlin master, or Shirdi Sai Baba, whomever you feel connected to. Just close your eyes and ask them to tell you which card you should select for this week, which is from 26th July to 1st August. Now the first card has the amethyst tree, and the second card has the plane tree, but this tree basically is my tree where I keep my Buddha. So it is that tree. So okay, this is a plain tree which has my Buddha, but now the Buddha is missing, and this is the amethyst tree. So this is card 1 and this is card 2. So you will have to tell me which, not tell me because I'm sorry, I'm just saying tell me. You will have to select your card, and then in the meantime I will start putting the other cards for you, and we will go in for our in-depth predictions. Okay, so you start seeing the cards. I hope you all are just breathing in, breathing out, and deciding which card, whether you want the card which has the amethyst tree or you're taking the card which has the plane tree. I'm taking out the other cards also, so that when we do the reading, we just go with the flow. Okay, so now if you have decided on the card 1, which is with the amethyst tree, I will be opening that card. Always my love oracle falls down. I don't know why. What is the reason? I don't know. I think I'll have to check that reason also. So now let's open the cards. The rest of the cards I'll keep putting in. So the ones who have taken the beautiful amethyst tree. Okay, now that's a 9 of cups. It's a beautiful card. It talks about happy man and a happy week ahead. A week where you will feel content, you will feel happy, you will feel as if everything is solved, and you have completed everything that you wanted. More like I had a plan to buy a TV or buy something, I have bought. I had a plan to finish my project on time, I have finished. I wanted to spend some time with my family, and I was able to take them out. So everything that you plan this week, it's going to be a sure short success. You will feel, if you see this card, it has all the cups at the back, right? Now you will feel as if you are satisfied here. All the cups are set and you are a content man. In fact, I love this card because I always see him as a happy man. Most of you all know I love praying to Kuberji, and I have my Buddha candle, which whenever I burn, it represents this person. So overall, a beautiful week where you'll be very happy. You will have achieved whatever you have planned. So whatever you're planning, just go ahead with your plans. Success is going to be yours for sure. There's no looking back at this. Now, because this card has come, I want to suggest one thing. Those who can do Kuber Mudra every day for this week, and you'll feel actually very happy when you're doing the Kuber Mudra. This is how it is. This is how the Kuber Mudra is. Just for 5 minutes. I know you will not be able to spend more time because, as I said, the card is saying everything is going to be successful. So you're going to have your platter full. It's going to be a busy week. Just like this, 5 minutes in the morning or in the evening, whenever you're free, just do this, and you will feel as if abundance is falling in your life. So do the Kuber Mudra. Now people who have selected this can also do it. I've always said that there's nothing that only one person who has selected this should do. Now your love life. Okay, give each other some space, trust and have faith that all will work. So as I said, if this week you're planning to sort out anything also in your emotional front, then this is the week. Sit down, think, analyze what is it that you want to do, where is it that things are not working for you, and how is it that you want your personal life to go. And don't rush into things, because I personally feel, don't rush into things, give it its own space and time, and I feel you will be really happy. One more thing I want to give here as a tip is, if you feel that life has just gone way beyond and how will I sort out things, every day morning, or I would suggest morning, whenever you're free, just sit, close your eyes, and imagine that the divine is giving you a beautiful shower of pink light. Now that pink light is falling from top and it is covering your whole body, and you will feel bliss. Believe me, you will feel bliss. You will attract the type of love that you're expecting, because you're giving yourself self-love every day in the morning. And I am a person who believes that once you give self-love, everything falls in place. So don't worry, things will go well, because even when I'm keeping the card here, it's under the happy man. So I think it's going to be a beautiful week. Finances. Okay, for some it shows as an employment change. So if you're looking for another job, don't worry, you will get a job, and this will be a new welcome. Let go of the old which has troubled you when it comes to your career, because it's a new beginning, and this new beginning you will be supported each and every step. There is no looking back. You will feel as if the universe has given you the right change in job. Now if it is finances, I am seeing the horse here, so I feel financially also it's going to be really good. Maybe that is the reason I said in the starting to chant Kuber Mudra, because maybe I was thinking somewhere in this lines only, or my intuition was guiding me in this lines only. So that's the reason this card has come. Now this time for health, I am taking the Ascended Masters for how the health is going to be. I don't know, I just felt like taking the Ascended Masters this time. So I am taking the Ascended Masters. Okay, see, let it go. Now she is another beautiful goddess of mine, Quanin. And somewhere I feel, don't worry about your health issues, nothing is going to go bad. Just let go of every worries and stress. Whatever is the small issues that you might face with your health is because of your stress. So just let it go. Now because she is my favorite and she has come, I will be taking one more card for you all. Vishnuji, trust. So I think financially also, maybe you are having some sort of a stress related to your finances, and here I see Vishnuji is alone. So maybe even relationship, these two factors of life are somewhere troubling you and worrying you a lot, but have the trust and just let it go. Believe me, let it go, surrender it to them, or surrender it to my magic man. He will handle everything, and he will see to it that you people are blessed and you will not have any issues to worry. And anyways, which you're going to like the video, you're going to comment the video, and I'm going to give you one more secret message of what is the right thing to do at this point of time. So more like you will be able to understand where and what is going wrong and how to do. So now I'm going to open my Blessed Be cards. I want to see whether this week is, in terms of blessings, what has this week got to offer you all. Sometimes you just need to let go and not worry of things that are troubling you, because the more you worry, the more you end up stressing yourself. And end of the day, stress is not the solution for any problem at all. It's easy for me to say, it's difficult for you to do. I know very well, because I have been through a lot of stress in life, and I know when people used to advise, I say, yeah, right, it's very easy for you to say, step into my shoes. But ultimately I also realized one thing, that whoever steps into my shoes, or even if I am going to step into my shoes, stress is not going to cure anything. So let go, surrender it to the universe or to him, and he will handle it. Okay, now blessings of peace after battle. Now that is what I was talking about. So it is saying, don't worry, the battle has come to end and peace is going to be there for all of you all. Don't go. I might open some secret card after I finish reading for the card 2 members, because you all know last time I did that. So maybe this time also I do. I'm not promising, but let's see. Now coming to the people who have selected this, the Plane Tree. Oh wow, this is a beautiful card. Emperor. Everything is going to be authoritative and good but I see this man little sad and looking somewhere like this as to what is happening. But I would say one thing: have a control over your situation. If there's any help which you're looking in, look in for this help from senior members of your home. I mean, senior male members of your home. If you feel there is some issue in office, then talk to your managers for this of this issue to get solved. If there's any transactions which are not happening in your project, in your business, get in touch with someone who's in authority, and things will fall in place. But overall, I don't see this as a negative card. I feel everything will go smooth. Just that little, I feel more power is needed. For this, I want to say one thing: every day burn a red candle or have some red fruit. Maybe eat a red apple or have a strawberry, but bite by bite. I always say that, bite by bite, have it and say that it's going to be a powerful day for me and I'm going to rock the day. Today's day is mine, and whatever happens today is just going to be the best, and just go with it. I feel everything will go well. Now let's see your love. Okay, imagine all unwanted things dissolving into light. Create room for new opportunities. So see, again, this is a beautiful thought. It's a lady alone. I would say just let go of things which are troubling you in your emotional life and allow the change to come. If your partner wants to start afresh, then I think this card is an indication that please start afresh. Don't worry or don't hesitate about what to do. These things have happened. What if they happen again? No. Whatever has happened, it's over and out. Start. Bring in the new change. Try to make your relationship better. Somewhere I also feel that this card has come for people who are going to start a new beginning in their lives. It can be they are getting married, or it can be they are getting pregnant. But some new beginning in their emotional life is what this card says. Now coming to this, okay, abundance mindset. Feel, think and speak abundance. Now for this, I will tell you all one thing. What you all can do is every day in the morning. Now the card one members can also do this, as I always say. Every day in the morning, just sit somewhere, close your eyes, okay, and just imagine Archangel Uriel putting a lot of stars, golden stars on top of you, or golden light on top of you. If you cannot connect with Archangel Uriel, then you can connect with Shirdi Sai Baba. Imagine Baba with his hand from top is covering you with a beautiful, beautiful golden ray light. That's abundance mindset, and you will attract abundance in your life. You will attract good, positive financial benefits that you're wanting to, and things will fall in place the way you want it to fall. Now coming to health, I don't know if I'm going to pick two cards or one card, because there Quanin came. Here again it depends on what card is coming. I will decide whether to take two cards or one card for you. Okay, so now, Hare Krishna Ji, my favorite. Find the blessings in your current situation. So, Hare Krishna. He says, every situation or every moment right now in your life is a blessing. I always believe in that. I feel today whatever I am blessed. There are so many people who don't even have what I have. When I see my mates, I feel they are also blessed, because there are people who don't even have works. So every moment in our life is a blessing. So because again my favorite has come, Krishna Ji, the next card. Okay, it is Kudumi. Stay focused. So what this card is saying is just be focused on what you love doing and what you like doing the most, and don't worry about the rest, because ultimately everything will be good and everything will fall in place, and you will be able to understand how blessed you are, because life is a blessing. Only when we take it as a blessing we are blessed, but if we keep cribbing over it, then there is no point at all. It's my feel. Now coming to my blessed be cards. So you all must be wondering, will she take out something special? I might take out, let's wait and watch. Okay, a blessing in the earth. Now this is another pretty card. It says life is a blessing. So we are in this earth. Today we all are able to watch YouTube, we are in Facebook, we are in medias, we are able to eat what we like, we are able to do what we like. Yes, I understand some of you may not be able to eat or live the way you like, but maybe that phase will also pass. But ultimately it is a blessing that we are all here, and today I am able to give you all a guidance for the whole week. It means I am blessed, and you are able to see me giving you guidance. It means you are blessed. We all are mutually blessed. So why not with this blessing give you all another small blessing for the card 1 and for the card 2 also. Don't forget, you have to like and comment if you want the reading from this light oracle cards. If you want from this, then you have to work towards it. So now I'm going to give you all a message from the gods and goddesses. Basically these cards actually have mantras also, so maybe some mantra will come out when I am shuffling these cards for you. So for card 1 I will take out first. That's why I said keep seeing the video. End of the video I might surprise you with something. So let's see what is the card which is coming for card 1, the sector which took the amethyst tree. We will take from the center. Okay, let's just see. Wow, now this is Subhadra. Subhadra Devi is a girl, is a lady of devotion, and she is a person on whom if you trust and if you let go and pray to her, she will give you the whole power and grace, and she will give you everything. Now the mantra for her, maybe you people should do this. Jaya Devi Bhakti Datri Prasiddha Parameshwari Jaya Devi Shubhatre Tvam Sarvesham Bhadradayini. I will repeat. Jaya Devi Bhakti Datri Prasiddha Parameshwari Jaya Devi Subhadre Tvam Sarvesham Bhadradayini. Do this every day, maybe 11 times, and see how she blesses you. So that's nice. Now let's see what is there for the card 2 people. Let's see what is coming, which god or goddesses is coming for them. Okay, that's a beautiful Durga Devi ji. I just love this card. My favorite. So what does she do? She gives you personal empowerment. She destroys negative people. She makes you come out of any sort of a negative influence. So she blesses you. Now, okay, so my favorite mantra again, Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Shakti Rupena Samsita Namastasya 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 Namo Namaha. I will repeat. I know I was very fast because one of my favorite mantras. So you can do this 11 times every day and say how she blesses you. Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Shakti Rupena Samsthita Namastasya 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 Namo Namaha. I will repeat. Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Shakti Rupena Samsthita Namastasya 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 Namo Namaha. With this we end this reading. So like it and leave a comment if you want me to give you all another add-on reading as a confidence level reading for you all, and I hope you all are enjoying it. By the way, I keep forgetting to tell you all, please hit the bell icon, then only you all will know where it is coming. Varna, you all end up WhatsApping me asking me, Pinky ji, this week's reading has not come. So please press the bell icon, then only you will know my readings are coming and premiere is happening in YouTube. Chalo, take care, have a great week ahead you guys, and have a blessed week. Let's meet in August because this is the last week of July. God bless. Thank you.